So today I just want to make a change to our AdventureWorks template. So I'll import the template. So that's the template here. So click that and we'll open it. So that's our date table. There's the different columns. So we want to mark the date table here as being the date table for Power BI. So we click the modeling tab here and it's this one here, mark as date table. Mark as date table, like that. Now it needs to know which column has the date. So click the drop down here and there's a red the date column here. And validated successfully. That's great. Click OK. And you see here the icon here signifying that it's recognized it as the date column in the calendar table or the date table. So we just need to save the file now as a template and overwrite the previous file. Click File, Export, Power BI template. That's OK. Click OK. And we click the previous one here. Click Save. Do you want to replace it? Yes. So that's our change made and saved.